Hey, what's up guys? It's Jared the Tech Avenger here with a new video. Today I have something really cool that I want to show you guys. Oh shoot. Is there a return policy at Best Buy? Okay, let's try that again. I have the Aurora Rhythm by NanoLeaf. I know you guys really want to see what's inside the box, and so do I. So let's get into it right after this intro. Roll it. Okay guys, so let's get into this. This box has a lot of heft to it. It's actually pretty heavy. I did get this at Best Buy for $150, but that was on sale. You can probably pick this up at your local Best Buy for $249 Canadian. So the box comes with 9 panels, stencil paper if you want to trace it before mounting, the Aurora Rhythm, some linkers, controller, mounting tape, power supply. So that's a lot in the box. Currently, I have a Philips Hue setup for my ambient lighting. This won't really replace that. It'll more like complement it, and it can do a lot more than the Philips Hues. You can animate the lighting and have it, as NanoLeaf puts it, dance to the music. Or you can just have it as a subtle backdrop for a low-key get-togethers. You can also form it into multiple different shapes, depending on what you want it to look like in your room or media center. NanoLeaf provides some awesome examples on the back of the box. You can have it in your bedroom. This basically is with the standard 9 panels that this kit comes with. Or you can go even further and get a whole bunch of panels to create whatever shape you want in whatever style. Alright guys, here we have the NanoLeaf ready for the unboxing, ready to see what's inside here. But first, it's always important to test out your tools first. So let's test out this butter knife. Let me just grab some toast here. Yeah, put some butter on there. Yeah, lather that all over. Okay, yes, perfect. Yes, this butter knife is the perfect tool to open this box, so let's get into it. Alright, just open it up here. Cut that plastic. Okay, let me just pull this thing off. And finally, we got it off. My goodness, that was a struggle. Okay, here's the box, guys. We have the NanoLeaf logo on the top there, and opening it up, we're greeted with the instruction manual. Welcome to a smarter life. So it has the HomeKit code right here, so you can add your Apple device to it and easily sync with that. And it's just a couple pages, but honestly, you can go on NanoLeaf's site and you can find out how to mount this thing. They have some great tutorials on adding it to Alexa or Google Home. Alright, getting into the main part of the NanoLeaf, it's the panels. We have 9 of them in here. I'm just going to pull out a couple just so you guys can see. It's made out of some sturdy plastic and it houses the LEDs. This is basically what we'll be using to create our design. We'll have to use the linkers that I'll show you shortly here to put them together. Alright, this is the Rhythm module. It is only in the Rhythm edition of the starter kits, and it's there to basically detect sound waves so it can synchronize with the music that you're playing. And here we have the power plug and the extension cable. I don't know how far this will reach. Hopefully I won't need an extra extension, but if we do, not a big deal. And here we have the controller. It is the brains of the NanoLeaf. It is our interface between the app and the NanoLeaf itself. It has the HomeKit code here as well too, in case you misplace the other one. And here we have some 3M mounting tape. NanoLeaf has been so generous to include a little bit extra in there, just in case we mess up. Hopefully we don't, but we will put that to the side. And last but not least, we have the linkers. This is what we will use to connect all the panels together so that they can communicate with each other. Alright guys, that is everything in the Aurora Rhythm Starter Kit. You can always buy the extension pack and make your design a little more complicated or even bigger, but this is just what we need to get started. So with that, back to the studio. Alright guys, I'm super excited to see this thing in action. Not sure how I want to set this up. Don't have any ideas, but if you feel so inclined, let me know in the comments below. I'll be doing a full review on this bad boy soon, and if you like this video, please use the like button, give this video a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to this channel. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram for the latest updates. Like always, guys, don't forget, when it comes to tech, Jared the Tech Venger is there. I got your back.